monthly analysis. I will be analyzing NQ100. Let's check the overall or general trend of Nasdaq. As seen from the line chart, NQ is trending upwards. Let's go in more details by switching to candlestick chart. Also, keep in mind this is on monthly time frame. Let's zoom our chart closer, since we are interested onto the latest price action. I personally be using ICT concepts. By saying so, our solely main purpose is to identify liquidity areas such as liquidity runs and sweep, and external and internal liquidity areas. These areas are crucial since price gets attracted to. Now, let the fun begin. Let's start by identifying our recent liquidity run, followed by our external liquidity pools, which can be seen as swing points, high and low, of the current order flow.
Wait! What? Did I rhyme? High and low of the current order flow.
I did that.
Thank Tony for rhyming. Next, we identify internal liquidity that includes fair value gaps and order blocks. Let's mark tapped fair value gap red in color and zoom in to identify recent high and lows of latest months. The anticipation of the current month, March, depends on how the previous month, February, reacted on the highs or lows of the month before it, January. As you can see, February took and closed above January high. Hence, I anticipate the current month to close above previous month's high, February. Though, we have only 2 weeks remaining, but I am still bullish on March, aligning with the overall order flow.
Jokes aside, I am Tony.
Thank you, Tony. Don't worry, I will handle the rest. Let's go into more details on our weekly chart. More candles equals to more data. Let me zoom in so as we can focus on the recent price action. As always, identifying our areas of liquidity using swing points. As you can see on the lows, I have identified a liquidity pool. Also on the highs already been identified, monthly liquidity. Now, let's identify internal liquidity, which we find the recent fair value gap, though it has been tapped, hence turning it into red. I will zoom in to get clear view of the recent price action. I am interested onto previous week candles, hence, I will mark its high and low. Previous week candle will help me to identify or anticipate the future candle, which is the next week's candle. As you can observe, the current week candle failed to close below the previous week candle, which makes us believe the next candle might be bullish. If you look closely, you will notice the current and previous week failed to close or take the low of the week before previous week. This is a good sign of being bullish next week, hence having a bullish candle. You watch till here, why not get a bonus?
Thank you, Ryan. Welcome to the pre-Monday analysis bonus. As always, our main focus is on liquidity, either external or internal. Let's mark our external liquidity followed by internal liquidity pools. As always, to anticipate the next candle, we look at the current and previous candles' reactions. We can say the next candle might be bearish, but the current daily candle, Friday candle, has tapped and closed above 50% of FVG.
Hence next candle bullish.